This ERA Parrish Realty Legacy Group property video is presented by Virginia Hocutt. Home in prime location. Walking distance to local shops, restaurants and other attractions in Zebulon, North Carolina. Great opportunity for a remodel with many of the major repairs already complete. Roof, HVAC, hot water heater, windows and appliances have all been recently replaced. Features hardwoods in a majority of home and is hooked up to natural gas. Both bathrooms have been remodeled. Don't miss this investment opportunity. Home being sold as is. For more information, review the details below.